Hi Fatima, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thank you for asking. Thanks Fatima to joining on time also. So in this interview, we have three round actually. The first round is HTML CSS. Then we will move to the JavaScript part, and after that, last we can cover the React part. Okay, so start with the introduction. Introduce about yourself. What's your education and all?
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Fatima. I am from UP and I have
Mhm.
completed my post graduation in M.Sc Mathematics. And currently, I'm a learner of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. And I have made some small project to improve my skill. And
Mhm.
now I'm looking to opportunity to start my journey as a front-end developer. That's
Can
all
we
from my side.
Can you explain what kind of project you build? Anything?
So yes, as I have made a food ordering app with the help of React and Next.js, and
Mm-hmm.
yes, and I have made some dummy portfolio,
Mm-hmm.
and with the help of HTML and CSS, and I have made games with the help of HTML CSS.
Okay.
Guess the number game with the help of HTML
Okay.
CSS and JavaScript. Yes, sir.
Okay. React project, are you using any state library, Redux or something,
No,
or
no, sir. No, no, sir.
it's a
No.
simple React?
No, yes, a simple yet. Yes, sir. I'm not
Okay.
using any third
Oh,
library.
and have you knowledge about Redux? Uh,
No, sir. I heard about this, but I don't have used.
okay. Your college is completed this year itself, or are you in fourth year?
No, sir. I have completed my post graduation in 2015, sir.
Okay. 2015.
15. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. After that, uh,
After this, I got married, and
mhm.
then I have faced some financial problems, so I have decided to
Okay.
start my journey.
Okay, MCA you completed in 2015.
MSc, sir, MSc in
Okay,
MSc
in
mathematics,
MSc
mathematics
mathematics.
and statistic. Yes,
Okay, so you learn everything is itself regarding
yes, sir,
the
yes, you can say.
language and all.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
That's good. That's good.
Yes, sir, I have learned all things from Udemy, sir. I have
Uh,
purchased a course from Udemy.
that's okay, but you do it yourself. That's the main thing.
Yes, sir.
That is good for me. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, start with HTML theoretical first. Okay,
Yes,
what's
sir.
the difference between HTML5 local storage and session storage?
So local storage means if you close the tab, then our uh, data will be lost. But
Yes.
in a session storage,
Mhm.
if we close our tab, then our data will be stored.
Okay, so which one do you think which one is more secure? Any idea?
So uh, if I handle authentication of form or
Mm-hmm.
user password like this, then I think local storage is the best way.
Yes, in term
I
of
think so.
storage, also local storage having more space. You know
Yes, sir.
what's the storage size we can store in local storage and session storage? Any idea?
Yes, sir.
That is okay. You can check after this interview, no problem. Okay. The second question is what is block and inline block elements in HTML?
Yes, sir. So block elements start from a new line, and it's take an entire width of its parent element, and
Mm-hmm.
block elements we can set a margin from left to right, but we can't set margin and
Mm-hmm.
padding from the top and bottom.
Okay.
Basically, in the block level element. But
Mm-hmm.
in an inline block, we can element by behavior it's behave like a block element, but we can set a margin and padding from the top and bottom also.
Oh, yeah, great, great, good. So, what's the difference between relative, absolute, and fixed position?
So relative,
Mm,
if element has a position relative, then it's relative to itself.
Mm-hmm.
Element relative to itself. But if
Yes.
and absolute position element relative to its closest ancestor parent,
Okay.
and it's removed from the document flow also. And what are you stuff?
Fixed position.
Fixed position means element relative to viewport relative to viewports. I think
What is viewport
means total width
of the page?
width of the page. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes, we got it. Okay. And what about sticky? Any
So
difference, fixed and sticky, or it's
yes,
both are same?
yes. No, no, sir. Sticky,
Mm-hmm.
sticky is a different from the relative. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Sticky means if element it is it's behave like a relative until element
Mm-hmm.
reach its threshold, given threshold. It's behave
Okay.
like a fix.
Okay, got it. What's the basic difference between Fluxbox and Grid?
So both are used for the creating the layout. But
Mm-hmm.
Flexbox, with the help of Flexbox, we can create a one-dimension layout.
Mm-hmm.
But in a grid, we can create our layout with, in a two
Mm-hmm.
dimension. Means uh, we, uh, we can
Mm-hmm.
create a layout in a two-dimension layout.
Okay. If we are building some responsive websites, so
Hmm.
which one do you more prefer? Uh, any
So
idea?
yes, if you have a if you have a more columns and rows, and we want to set our header, and we want to set articles and aside and
Mm-hmm.
a footer, then we prefer a grid, because grid is a more flexible than flexbox.
Okay. Okay. What's the difference between HTML and HTML5? Any idea?
Yes, HTML5 gives a extra feature like audio and video tags and
Mm-hmm.
semantic tags, and we can draw graphics with the help of HTML5. And with the one is the main difference between HTML and HTML5 is this: in HTML5 we can run JavaScript in the background, but in HTML we can't.
So you told some tag, audio, video. What's the name of these tags? Any specific generic name? What we call
Audio tags,
aside, aside header? What we call this all the tag?
semantic
Yes,
tags.
yes, correct. Okay, can you share your screen so I can ask some
Yes, sir.
multiple choice question also?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and open any editor, like one editor or something. Yes,
Yes, sir.
just give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, what's the output of this? I just shared over a chat. Can you check
Yes, sir.
which one option is correct? You can do it itself here itself, no problem. No need to copy and paste.
Sir, first one.
Okay, second question is this. Oh, which one is a
Semantic
semantic
tag.
tag?
Sir, section C1.
Yes, correct. One more for MCQ question.
Sir, required. I think so.
Mm, yes, that is correct. But why?
Sir,
Have you used?
otherwise form will be submitted without enter any value.
If we put required, so uh, is it mandatory field we filled is mandatory or
No, sir, it's not a mandatory.
okay. Okay, what will be the render? Any idea?
In first one, sir, hello world inside
Mm-hmm.
div.
Okay. Are you sure we can use div inside p tag?
Uh, what's the answer, sir?
We are using here div
Hmm?
inside p tag. We are using div
Div it.
inside p tag.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hmm.
So is it correct way? P tag is the parent, div is the child. Think like this.
Sir, yes, we can do, sir. If you
Okay.
want to select item, then we can do.
Okay. According to me, it's div is a block element that is not allowed to directly inside p tag. But
Yes, sir.
you need to check. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. One more question for to you. Is it related to CSS?
Which has highest specificity element in the class filter.
Firstly,
I
what
just
is
selected. So
specificity?
specificity is a rule, sir, where a
Mhm.
browser determine which rule will be set to the element,
Okay.
basically.
Okay.
Hmm.
What's the current?
Inline as style is has some highest specificity.
Yes, correct. One more question to you.
So nearest scrolling ancestor.
Yes, correct. Your the logic and all these are strong according to me as of now.
Thank you,
Let me
thank you,
think
sir.
in future.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now what is it?
This is, sir, I don't have any idea for ellipsis.
Uh, okay, no problem. Text overflow here is the answer. Okay, what's the output? Okay, sorry, I just not copy full one. Just give me one second. This is the what's the out?
Sir, this one, div starting from div.
Yeah, starting from div. If we have any div in HTML, if we put this property on div, what do you think? Mm, is it? What do you think?
Sorry.
I
Sir,
need
it
the.
will.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
I need total box size in content box. What is the size? How do you?
Content box and border box. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay. This is the. I want
content box.
content box and border box both. What? How do you calculate these things?
Yes, sir. Content box. Sir, content box. In case of content box, width and height will be,
Mm-hmm.
sir, width will be 200 and height will be 200. But it will be if we will talking about border box, then we will 200. Width will be 200 minus
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
10 plus 20,
Okay. Uh, I
and
think
height
you
will
are.
be
I think it's your box content box is you mix match content box to border box.
uh, I'm confusing right now, but I
Mhm.
have read this as content box. In a border box,
Mhm.
with height and width included with the padding and border. Means
Mhm.
border box means width plus padding plus border.
Okay. Okay. I will share you the correct answer. That is the correct way.
Sorry.
No problem.
Yes, the
I
border
just
box 200 and 200% will be, sir.
hmm,
Yes, sir. I'm mixing that.
I think like this. No problem. Okay. Pseudo element and what is pseudo element and where they can use.
Pseudo elements means we want to select element on the basis of specific state, like a focus, like a blur, like a hover.
Mhm.
Uh,
Okay. So can any website work without using head tag, body tag, and HTML tag?
that's what that's.
Body tag and HTML tag.
So how can it's possible? Because HTML give a basic structure, na, sir?
Mm-hmm.
So give a layout. So how can it work?
No, no, it's not working. I'm just
Yes.
asking like this.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
no problem. Okay. Okay. We will move to the JavaScript part again then. What is hosting and what is hosting first?
So hosting is a phenomenon where we
Hmm.
can access the variable from its initialization.
Okay. And what's the difference between where and let?
So where is a older way of declaring a variable, and where is a functional scope, and where can be
Hmm.
hosted,
Okay.
and where can be updated and can be redeclared. But let
Mhm,
and const is a ES6 feature given by
mhm,
ES6 features, and
mhm,
let and const is a block scope, and let
mhm.
and const is also hosted but in a different way. They goes into temporal dead zone. Means
Okay.
temporal dead zone means a time being when a let and const variable hosted and they get initialized value. The time period in
Mhm.
between is known as temporal dead zone. And
Yes.
if we want to access let and const variable before its initialization, we will get a reference error. But if we want to, if we declare variable with the help of where and we want to host it, then we will get the undefined.
Yes. That's totally correct. As a fresher, you are having good knowledge. As of now,
Thank you,
but
sir.
I need to check your logical skill also after this. But
Thank you
okay, no
so much,
problem.
sir.
Uh, Explain deep copy and shallow copy.
So, shallow copy means only copies the top level most properties. If you have
Mhm.
but nested properties, still refers to the main object. But
Okay.
shallow copies gives an independent clone. And nested copies will not refer to the main object.
Okay. Can you give me some one example? Which one? This one is deep copy. This one is shallow copy.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Can you increase the size of your screen? Uh,
Okay, sir.
Zoom it out some. One more.
Okay, sir.
150. One more. Yes, now fine.
Fine.
Yeah. Yeah. That's fine.
So this one.
Yes. Which this is the shallow copy or deep copy?
So this one is a shallow copy because
Okay.
this operator gives a shallow copy, not a deep copy.
Yes. And what about the deep copy?
Yes. So this one.
Okay. What about structure clone? What is it?
So
Is it any
so
keyword or
इसके बाद deep so this is a deep copy.
okay? Yeah. So I have one more question. How many way you create an object?
So with the help of we can create a object with the help of object literal.
Hmm.
and we can uh, and we can sir,
That's where the within curly bracket you already create one object in this example. Any other
yes
way to create an object?
yes but,
Okay, no problem then. Have you know what is destructuring?
yes sir.
What is it?
So destructuring is a feature given by a ES6, and we
Mhm.
can with the help of destructuring we can copy a object or array, or we can add more element with the help of spread operator, and
Mhm.
we can pass we can basically spread operators are spread the element uh, spread the element in array. So in a function
Mhm.
we can pass a element in form we can pass a element as an argument of a function with the help of
Okay,
spread operator.
okay, that's
So
okay. Uh, what is event delegation?
So, event delegation is a technique
Mhm.
where we attach instead of attaching the individual add event listener to the parent child element, we can attach a single event listener to the parent element. That is
Okay.
known as event delegation.
Mhm. And what about event bubbling?
Event doublings the event first occur to the child element, then it's goes to bubble up, means it goes to parent element, but this element first occur to the child element, then it goes to the parent, then it goes to the grandparent.
Uh,
That is known
so,
event bubbling.
so what we method we need to implement to achieve the event bubbling? Any
So
method?
true or false, you can write true or false.
Okay. What's the difference between double is equal to and triple is equal to?
So double equal to operator is a loosely type equal to operator. Means
Mhm.
JavaScript check the only values, not check the data type. Means
Mhm.
behind the scene JavaScript automatically convert the type. This is known the loosely equal to type operator. And
Mhm.
triple equal to operator is a strict operator. Means JavaScript check values as well as type of the data.
Okay. And what's the difference between four off and four in?
Yes, sir.
Four off and four in.
For okay, sir. Both are loops to
Mhm.
iterate each and every element. But foreign loop basically used in a object, and
Mhm.
for of loop we can on array and string also
Yes,
work
that's
on.
correct. Mm. Okay. The last theoretical question is what is prototype inheritance?
Yes, sir.
Prototype inheritance.
So, a prototype, sir, every in JavaScript, every object has an internal link to
Mhm.
connect its property. Means
Mhm.
if any property is not available in the uh, object, then it goes to
Mhm.
check in a uh, in a lexical environment.
Environment.
Then
Okay.
environment, yes. So this
Mhm.
phenomenon, this chaining is known as a prototype.
What about inheritance in these things? What do you think? What is the meaning of inheritance?
Means mm, uh, inheritance means means child element can access the property from its parent.
Yes, correct. Okay, let me give you some multiple choice question. Uh, okay, check in your
Okay, sir.
chat. What's the output?
So where, what is the type of null? So type of null
Mm-hmm.
uh, will be object.
Okay. Yes,
It's a
correct.
bug of JavaScript.
Yes, it's correct.
Uh,
Mm.
and which one following not a primitive value number string array. So array.
Yes, correct. Okay. In this console log, what's the output?
In a string 1, 2, 2.
Yes, that is also correct. What is it?
So not a number
Why?
because there is no any number to this minus operators basically convert string to the number, but here is
Mm-hmm.
uh, how can we change string a to the number? So that's why
Yes, the answer is correct.
it is
Okay, what about this?
so undefined
Yes, because of?
because of hoisting phenomenon.
Yes, correct. Okay, what is it? What's the output?
So here is a in this case
Mm-hmm.
where I have put a cursor,
Mm-hmm.
x will be 20 and here x will be 10 because
Okay,
this x will be a block scope and this x will be a global scope. That's why.
so firstly comes 20 and then comes 10,
Hmm.
right?
Yes, yes. Hmm.
Yes, okay. What about this?
Set timeout and console. First is print void, then it will print hello.
Yes, correct.
I think it will give you an error.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what error? Any specific error?
Hmm. So it's a way of accessing a value from an object, not a function.
Mm-hmm.
Dot bar. I
Mm-hmm.
think so, sir.
No problem. Actually, this is give hello print, not error.
Okay. Let the object is so answer will be one.
Are you sure? Actually, it's a reference-based thing.
So object copied by their reference, not by their values, because they
Hmm.
are not primitive values.
So why
So
one then? If they copy their reference,
okay,
not value,
okay,
then
okay. So but they store in a different memory space now.
hmm
Object. Sir, sorry, sir. Sorry. Yes, sir. Five,
yes,
not
correct.
one. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
in this case, yes.
no problem. Is it logical question I am asking to you in JavaScript? If you
Yes, sir.
have any palindrome string, madam, like
Hmm,
MADAM,
hmm,
that is
hmm, hmm, hmm.
same word.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
how do you check some string is palindrome or not? I want output
Okay.
like true or false.
Okay, sir.
Mhm. Within console, false within console.
Okay.
And string line number 4, SRR you mentioned, STR, change
Sorry,
STR.
sorry, sorry.
Okay. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Can you run it? Can you change string? No, no. You put enter. Uh, you put enter line number 2. Mm, close that string. Line number 1 string you need to close.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Okay, run again. Okay. Yes, correct. My second question is,
Yes, sir.
if you have any string, I
Yes, sir.
need the vowels. How many vowels in particular string?
How many vowels? Okay, sir.
Mhm. Like you will put interview in a string interview.
Okay.
Here we have 4 vowels in interview.
Number of vowels, na?
Yes, yes, number of vowels in particular string.
Okay.
What do you think? Any specific method are you thinking, or I want to know, okay, what's in your mind when you write a code?
So I have taken a one empty string,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and I want to check
If you are not okay, I will give you another question.
so only 1 minute.
Okay, think, no problem.
Sorry, sir.
No problem, no problem. Uh, if you have any array like 1, 2, 3, 4, I want output like 4, 3, 2, 1,
Reverse.
a reverse of particular array.
Not. We can't use any inbuilt method.
You can use anything. Fresher level, they can use anything. Inbuilt method also, reverse method also.
So simply, sir, then we
Yeah,
can.
reverse is much simple. I just want to check reverse. Then after that, you can work with the for loop. I know.
So I'm using for loop,
And then
not using
okay.
this.
What is undefined? Array dot length -1.
Minus one. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Yeah, minus one. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, correct. If someone gives two correct answer out of three, that will be considered as a selected. You already gave two answer.
Yeah.
Okay, let me move to the React part. Yes. What's the difference between use state and use ref?
So a use state basically used for manage state. Basically,
Mm-hmm.
it's remember the values
Mm-hmm.
when state change. And
Okay.
use ref used for to access element from that DOM.
Okay. I think use ref is also managing the state. Are you?
No, sir.
No?
Use ref basically used for accessing a DOM element from the DOM.
Okay.
And use
Uh,
state usually this used for the state management.
okay. For example, we have two component is there. Like one is control component, one is uncontrolled component. Control component all are managing by state itself, as you know. But uncontrolled component, all the state is managed by,
Managed by DOM.
okay, with the help of use ref.
Yes, with the help of use ref. Yes, sir.
Actually, the both are managing the state, but one is not manipulate the DOM and one is manipulate the DOM. That's why
Yes.
I'm saying ki use ref also
Okay.
working as a
Okay.
state.
Yes,
What
sir.
are the React fragment?
React fragment means if you want to use
Mhm.
more than one component or so, then we have to use one parent div or uh, curly braces means
Mhm.
we have to use.
So what is the use when we use React fragment when we use a div? Why don't we use div? Why we use React fragment?
So because div can create a performance issue means uh, in a to preventing a render in a DOM.
Mhm. Okay.
That's
Uh,
why we will use fragment.
Fragment we can use like any specific keyword we are
Yes,
using
no, tag.
within tag or what we write inside tag. Nothing.
Inside tag, we will write component.
Inside tag we will write React dot fragment. Is it? correct?
Yeah, yes, I React dot yes, I yes, yes,
That we have to write either you have to the blank tag, either we
yes,
have
sir.
to write
Huh.
React.fragment.
React dot fragment, yes, sir.
Okay. What are the lifting state up concept in
Uh,
React?
yes, lifting state up means if there is more than one child component, more than one sibling components, and
Mm-hmm.
both are want to state management.
Mm-hmm.
Both want to data, then we have to instead of individual management in a sibling component, we
Mm-hmm.
can directly we can directly use state management in a parent component of that
Mm-hmm.
component, and we can pass data from the one parent component to the sibling component. That is
Mm,
known as lifting state.
okay. As you know, React is a one directional language. Can we
Means we
pass?
can pass data
Mm-hmm.
from the parent component to the child component. It's a one data flow.
Mm-hmm.
We
So
can
can
also do
mm-hmm.
indirectly way.
Mm-hmm.
Means this is known as two way of binding. Means
Okay.
means if we hand if we if we have an input tag, and an input tag we can state in a state management we can uh, if any want to change in a UI, uh,
Mm-hmm.
then in a state can be changed, and if any change in the state, then also reflect in a UI.
Yes.
That is known as two way
So
of binding.
have you worked class component?
No, sir, I have heard about this, but I
Mm-hmm.
don't have used.
Can you explain the lifecycle method in functional component?
In a functional component, life cycle method used by a hook means
Mm-hmm.
when means when any component first time render on a screen, means is a
Mm-hmm.
mounted, then if any change in a state, then it will be updated in our DOM. And when unmounted means if we use a clear function, return a function, then we means demount from the DOM. This whole phenomenon is mounting and
Mm-hmm.
updating and unmounting is known as a life cycle method in a functional component.
Okay, yes, correct. What are the pure functions? What is it?
Uh, Pure functions in a JavaScript I have used, but
Okay, React, any pure function you aware about it? Those
no, sir.
function does not re-render when the input is same every time. Have you heard these things?
So in a JavaScript, when we uh,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
when we get the same output means we if we don't want to any manipulation of
Mm-hmm.
DOM and any
Mm-hmm.
global variable, so this
Mm-hmm.
known as a pure function.
That is
And
also available in React. Mm,
okay, sir.
in Redux, you use reducer, correct? Have you
Use
heard?
seducer, sir. Use seducer, but not as a redux.
Okay. Okay, use reducer you use, but not in Redux. Okay. Okay, the pure function is a function that the output value is not changed when we have same input again and again.
Yes,
That
sir.
is that is the definition. That is applicable on JavaScript also. That is
JavaScript
the
also,
both
yes,
the
sir.
same.
Yes, sir. I have heard about this, yes, sir.
Yeah, no problem. What's the difference between context API and props drilling?
So, context API is a solution of pop drilling. This pop
Mm-hmm.
drilling means if you have a, grandparent component, and we
Mm-hmm.
have a parent component, and we have child component, and we
Mm-hmm.
want to pass data from grandparent component to directly child component, we can't do. We
Mm-hmm.
have to pass data from grandparent component to the parent component, then we have to pass data child component. This
Mm-hmm.
chain is known as a pop drilling. But in a
Mm-hmm.
context APIs, we can create a context. Simply create a context in a separate file, and whatever in which component need this data, we can pass easily data.
Yes, that's correct. So, So you don't use Redux, but you have a
Yes, sir.
knowledge to context API.
Yes, sir.
How's the context API work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct. Uh, and what is it? What is use memo and use callback?
So both are used for the performance optimization. Use
Mm-hmm,
memo memorize a calculation when we have
mm-hmm,
when we use
mm-hmm,
any use effects, and we have any dependency array, and in a
mm-hmm,
dependency array any calculation like count, and so use memo avoid a re-render again and again, and use
mm-hmm.
callback memorize a function basically in this case.
Yes, correct. Okay. Okay. For example, if you have any application, how do you improve the performance of particular application? Any specific method? Do you have a knowledge?
Yes, so with the help of lazy loading
Mm-hmm.
and code splitting, sir, and and we can also use use memo and use callback
Yes,
is also.
yes, yes,
Yes,
that's
sir.
correct. Okay. Have you worked any co versioning tool? Versioning means any code versioning tool like GitHub.
GitHub. Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you aware about the all the
Yes,
commands?
sir.
How do you
Yes, sir.
push the
Yes,
code
sir.
and all?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I know.
Okay. Any other technology you are having
So
knowledge?
currently, sir, I am creating a one project with the help of Next.js. So I
Okay.
know
Are you
about
you
Next.js.
are learning in Next.js.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
React 19 version you are using or any other thing?
Sir, React 19.
Okay, 19. Okay, 20 is also coming in uh, November, December something.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. Interview is done. According to me, everything is good for you. As a fresher, like 2 year, 3 year experience person like knowledge you have, according to me,
Thank you so
as a
much, sir.
fresher. So why don't you search job? Have you do any interview or
No,
are you
sir.
searching?
I am searching. Currently I'm searching, and
Mhm.
I have applied in a lots of company, but there is no any response
Okay, you
right
you
now.
do one thing. You just upload your resume in Naukri, but every day in 6 a.m. morning and 6
Okay.
a.m. you just re-upload your resume. Then the
Okay.
crawling is coming from the top. Your resume is scrolling to the top. And you have one more issue. If you have this type of gaps, so you need to justify this gap. That will be more hard for any
Hmm.
organization because
Yes, sir.
MNC will not able to hire you because of that gap. Even TCS, not SCL. I'm in SCL. I know the policy of HR policy. They will not take anyone who's having more than 5 year experience, doesn't have any justification. So that is the main issue for MNC. You have to focus only startup company and these things. They can
Hmm.
able to hire you. Otherwise, otherwise you have any good knowledge, so you can also teaching job you can take in your college and something that is also more helpful according to me. But you have much good knowledge in coding, so don't go teaching.
Yes,
That's
sir.
my
I don't
suggestion.
want. So I have
Mhm.
a 2 year teaching experience from our college,
Mhm.
but I don't want to go anymore. You
That's
know.
why I'm saying if you have that much
So,
knowledge of coding, so you why don't you try the freelancing? You just
so
create it. Uh,
I
mm,
have tried so many times, but
mm,
there is
mm.
no any response. So I
Okay,
haven't
Upwork.
tried.
You know Upwork. Upwork.
No,
Having
sir.
a one site is there, upwork.com. Just create your profile over there.
Okay, sir.
There is a freelancing, this is freelancer site, and there are a lot of person are usable these things. You will get definitely got a project, so you just complete that project and deliver it, then they will give you the that money or something. So
Okay,
just
sir.
try it out. Meanwhile you can search a job. Job is the fixed one. Like freelancing is not a fixed salary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's
Yes,
why
sir.
you need to
Hmm.
just do it. You will definitely, once you get any interview, then you will have a mostly 90% chance to get a job. Firstly, you need to focus on interview. As I see your resume is not that much good. not that much miss. It's completely waste according to me. I tell you, Frank. You just create a best resume. I will share the link, the your site link that you can use that site to create a resume first.
Okay, sir.
You need to create a
Thank you
resume.
so much,
Because
sir. Thank you so much,
resume
sir.
is the first point of contact. If a
Yes,
resume
sir.
is okay, then they will consider you to other thing.
Yes,
But
sir.
anyway, other portals you created, other portfolio, live website, that is good according to me. Okay then.
Thank you so much,
Hmm.
sir.
Okay.
Thanks for giving
Meanwhile,
me
I will.
your precious
Mhm.
time.
Thank you. Meanwhile, I will check with my contact also. If there are any opening, I will mail you. ठीक है?
Okay, thank you so much,
Thanks.
sir.